Namaste. We are doing Akhanda Yoga for 10 minutes. Let's sit in easy, comfortable pose. Touch index finger with your thumb. Hands on your knees. Bring shoulders slightly back. Lift your crown. Let's just feel your physical body and relax the muscles, joints, but keep back straight. Feel your breathing. Just watch your breath. Breath is going in. Breath is going out. Without disturbing, just watch your breath. Continue, relax your face. Now, you guide your breathing. Inhale deeply, but no sound. Exhaling. Little longer exhale. Happier inhale. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Little more, relax your face, calm your mind. This time, slowly inhale. Top of inhalation, hold breath in just for a moment. Exhaling. End of the exhalation, hold breath out for a moment. Inhale. Hold breath in. Exhale. Hold breath out. Inhale slowly, no sound. Relax your face. Continue. Hold breath in. Exhale. Hold breath out and just feel you are whole, complete. Inhale. Hold breath in. You are whole, complete, full. Exhale. Hold breath out. Inhale. Hold breath in. Now let go your breathing. More soft your breath. Just witness middle of eyebrows, Ajja Chakra. Continue soft your eyebrows, eyeballs, forehead, and continue to concentrate middle of your forehead, Ajja Chakra. Feel your crown, Sahasrara Chakra. Just meditate there in your Sahasrara Chakra. Continue to meditate and now move up about your crown. Just feel infinite expansion. You melting in the space and feeling Akhanda, complete, whole, union with the divine. Just resting there. If you lose that feeling, return back. Continue to meditate. Oneness with divine. Oneness with this universe. Let's slowly bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. Softly, one Om, Tiri Shanti. Inhale.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Namaste. Thank you. See you again. Thank you very much. Hari Om.